Before we get to more of the dogs that are up for adoption, I do want to check this one thing out. We have some sponsors. You maybe have seen their billboards around town. Lots of flashy advertising. The Jungle Law Group. So we're going to get to that, and we are going to hear more from Tristan and Lauren about some of those ads that you've maybe seen around town here in a little bit.
My name is Tristan Woods. I'm an attorney at Jungle Law Group. This is my partner and my fiance, Lauren Sierra.
And we are really excited to be part of the Kansas City Pet Telethon.
Today we're out here at Monkey Island. Oh, we love coming out here. It's just got good energy. You know, we love animals. It's just like a sanctuary, just not only for the animals, it's for the people too. And he does excellent work. He's got a lot of rescue baboons, gibbon monkeys, sloths. He's got a wide array of, you know, exotic animals that he really takes care of and he's passionate about. At a young age, me and Lauren have been big animal lovers, and you know, we met 11 years ago out in LA, and we kind of bonded upon the love of animals. We talked about that all the time. We used to go and do some things with the animals, and all of our travels that we've done over the last 11 years have been based on, you know, where would we go to find the best animals to look at and all the sanctuaries. So we finally decided, you know, let's try to act on what we've always talked about. We could be able to make an impact.
These here are all cobras.
We are lawyers who are working in Kansas City. We do personal injury and criminal defense, and then we do something that's a little bit different than everyone else, and that's animal rights law. We are really excited to bring that, not just to Kansas City, but all around. The laws are changing. Animals are not regarded as property so much as anymore. They're really thought of as part of the family for us, and our family is a lot of people we know. So we're excited to bring justice for those animals and their families. So we have a case that actually applies to a lot of people, not just one, and that is a case that has to do with a recall on pet food. There's wet dog food that's being recalled because there is a dangerous product inside of it. So it's really important that we find those pets that are affected, and families, of course, that are affected as well, and we make sure that they're taken care of, compensated, and everything ends up, you know, being handled.
Thank you so much, and of course, I am so excited to be presenting another jumbo check from Jungle Law Group. Tristan and Lauren, thank you guys so much for this generous donation.
Yeah, we're really happy to be here. This is the 18th year, and so we're just excited as everybody else here. It's great. It's a great thing that they're doing, so we're happy to be part of it.
Absolutely. So, and we thank you so much. 18 years, it is a big deal. Now, tell me a little bit more, because, you know, people have seen some of your fun advertisements, and you guys are kind of all over the map. Tell us why you went in that direction.
Yeah, we decided to be unconventional attorneys and do something outside of the box. Kind of, we're new in town, so we wanted to be, you know, to get some attention. So yeah, we got some new billboards going up near Royal Stadium and on the Kansas side coming up. So they're going to be some fun ones. They're going to be different. They're going to have like a baseball theme. So I want people to check it out and, you know, look at them.
Jungle Law Group, and it's funny because I've been hearing some of the sound effects from the commercials.
Oh, yeah.
I've been hearing all that in the editing bay, and I'm like, what is going on out there? And it's been you guys, and it's just such, you know, welcome to Kansas City.
Well, thank you.
It's such a pleasure to have you, and thank you for the donation for the Humane Society.
This is really good. We want to keep doing this, so hopefully, you know, we'll be around next year to help you guys support it too.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. And just quickly, I want to talk about Handsome Dan. So what do we know about him?
This is Handsome Dan, and he's a 2-year-old lab shepherd mix and very friendly. I just got to meet him this evening. He loves other puppies and people, and he's looking for a forever home. So if you're interested, contact the Humane Society. Thank you.
Absolutely. Make sure you guys are calling in and donating, and you know, you could adopt someone like Handsome Dan. I do want to make sure you guys get a chance to also see the Jungle Law Group's advertisements, so take a look at this.
Lost in the legal jungle?
We wanted to do something completely different than what's already out there, and lawyers, for the most part, honestly, can be pretty boring.
Very boring.
We wanted to spice it up, and we're passionate about animals, so we thought, why not throw it into some really creative advertising?
You know, we figured it might be catchy. We just didn't know it'd be this catchy. So, you know, visually, animals are very attractive. So a lot of people draw their attention towards animals, and we figured, you know, not only do it on the billboards, but actually incorporate some live animals into the commercials. We went outside the box. We took a chance. Being a new law firm in Kansas City, you know, we've got stiff competition. So how are we going to brand ourselves and make ourselves unique? We had to go outside the box and do that. And, you know, at first I think people thought, you know, is this for real?
You want a grape?
it kind of was just at first just like a catchy way to draw attention to our firm, but now it's gotten more than that, and we really enjoy it, and that's the most rewarding type of work is animal rights, because even though the animals don't say that they appreciate it, we know that they do, and their owners really enjoy it.
And it worked out great too, just because there's 3 generations of Tristan Wood's family working in this firm, and that just gives it a really awesome dynamic. Yeah. And the fact that his family can contribute in a lot of ways, but especially in the advertising, because they're really into animal rescue. His mother's been doing that for quite some time. So they've all been contributing to the work and the advertising. It feels like a team effort. And
it was just natural,
awesome.
just to transition and, to using animals. And I mean, it was kind of a natural feel, Is she eating my hair?
Yep. It's really important that the animals that we feature in our advertising and our pro bono work come from rescue organizations. We
are involved in Monkey Island and Wings of Love,
Teresa's Creatures, and Kansas City Pig Rescue, and then most importantly, the Humane Society of Greater Kansas City. There are so many different types of animals, whether it's domestic, exotic, that need recognition and need our help, and most importantly, since we're attorneys, we give them a voice, and we're really excited to be able to advocate for them.